Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Joann.com account. So let's get started. Open up a web browser to get started. After you open up a web browser, go to the search box and type in Joann.com and press enter on your keyboard. Also make sure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, mouse over to your profile icon at the top right and then click on My Account. Under the Account Settings tab, scroll down and click the Edit button right next to Password. Now, you'll need to enter your current password in the first text box. After typing it in, on the next field, create a new password you'd want to change to. Reconfirm the new password by typing it again in the next field. After you are done, click on Save. And that is how you can easily change your password on Joann.com. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye. Till then.